Alright, so now we're going to get into the instructor side of it. So basically what I'm going to do now is just sign up, because the account that I have currently is a student, so we need to sign up as an instructor. Alright, and for the name I'm just going to say John Doe. Street address, we'll say 40 School Street, Boston. I spelled Boston wrong. 01932. Email address, we'll say something at something. Username, let's call him J Doe. Actually, I think we already have a user called J Doe. Let's just call him, we'll just call him dev user. Alright, so he is an instructor, so we need to pay attention to that. Make sure everything not sure what just happened. Alright, let's take a look at the users route and login. Okay, so it redirect. Let's take a look. I want to take a look at the database, the users. Alright, so username JDoe, no dev user, so it didn't register, sign us up. Let me look in the user model. Okay, so we're using this save instructor. New user, new instructor. New instructor.save. Okay, let's see. Okay, sign up. So all this was fine. And then down here we create a new user. Oh, we didn't create a new instructor. Yeah, that'll do it. So I'm gonna copy this new student, and this is gonna be new instructor. Okay, and basically an instructor gets all the same fields as a student. And that's going to be here, user.saveinstructor. That's going to be passed in. Okay, so that looks good. We have an instructor model included, which is good. Alright, so let's try it again. Okay, so we want to sign up. I'm going to use another name because we already have a John Doe. We'll say Steve Smith. Okay, username dev user. Okay, sign up, user added. Alright, let's take a look at the database. And there he is, dev user. Type student. Oh, I forgot to pick the instructor, didn't I? Oh man. Alright, so let's do that again. Make sure we choose instructor this time. And we'll say David Jackson Street, doesn't matter. Let's say dev user 2. Alright, so you can see that it is an instructor. Alright, so let's check this again. So we want to check users, and there he is. Dev user 2 is an instructor. Alright. So let's make sure that he made the instructors collection, which he did. All right. So we should be able to log in now. Dev user 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now this is normal, this error, because we're going to instructors/classes and we don't have any yet. I'm sorry, we don't have this route yet. Okay, so we need to create that. So what I'm going to do is open up. Let's close this. We can close that, I think. And let's open up, first of all, instructor, the model, and then we need the route. So we need new file, and I'm going to save it as instructors.js. Alright, now down in the views, I'm going to create a new folder, just like we did with students, called instructors. Okay, and we'll create a file, and we'll save that as classes.handlebars. Alright, now in the instructors route, okay, what I'm going to do is copy the students route because they're going to be very similar. Alright, let's change the student with instructor. Okay, so classes, this is fine. This right here we want to change, and we'll say get instructor by username. Okay, and then this, change this. This should be changed. Okay, so that looks good. Classes/register, we want the instructor username. Okay, and that's going to be same thing. Class ID. Oh, wait a minute, we're not registering. Well, actually, I guess we can let the instructors register, and that will be the classes they teach. I was just going to have no type of class assignment for instructors, but I mean, I guess we can keep it. Well, yeah, I guess we can. All right, so instructor dot register success. We'll say you are now registered to teach this class, and they'll go to instructors classes. Ensure authenticated, that's fine. Everything else looks good. So we'll save that, and then in the student model, I'm just going to copy these two and bring them over here to instructor. Okay, username. Okay, dot find one. Wait a minute. No, that's right. All right, so let's change this and this. Find one and update. Okay, that's all fine. Yeah, so that's good. So make sure we didn't forget any students. Okay, so we'll save that. So now for the view, if you go to Views, Instructors, Classes, I'm just going to copy what we have for Students classes. Alright, and we're still going to be able to view lessons, except when we view the lessons we'll have an edit link. Yeah, so that's good. So we'll save that. Let's go ahead and try it out. Alright, so we want to do dev user 2. Instructors classes is still giving us this error. Oh, you know what? We didn't include it in the app.js file. Yep. Alright, we also need it down here at the bottom. Alright, try that. Okay, so we have some kind of problem. Instructors is not defined. Instructors is not defined. So that's in the route. It's right here, instructors. Oh, we need to take this S off. All right, and this one. Try again. All right. It's not getting my. Oh, we need to change the view. Views, instructors, classes, and we need to change every instance of student to instructor. All right, yeah. There we go. Now I should be able to register just like a student. Yep. Yeah, it's doing this again. I'm not. Oh. It's redirecting us to students' classes. So we need to change that in instructors. Let me just search for student. It's not in there. Where is it? Oh, I know what it is. It's the class details view. We have it going to students' classes. Alright, so this can be fixed. So what we can do here is, just like we did with the partial, the login, where we said if, wait, where is it? Right here, type. This should be accessible to us even in the details. And we should be able to just put it here like this. Okay, and then the action is going to change depending on, you know, if the user is an instructor or not. So that'll do that. Now that kind of messed it up. I don't think, yeah, see. So let's restart it and see if we can actually be registered for the class as an instructor. Whoops, I gotta log in. Okay, register. There we go. You are now registered to teach this class. Cool. In the next video, we will add the lessons so that we can view the lessons, and that's pretty much it. Then we'll be done. We do want the instructors to be able to add additional lessons, so we'll do that too.